Good evening, all. Welcome to today's Zen Living session. Myself, Annie Jose from the Community Outreach and External Relations Executive from Zenonco.io and Love Heals Cancer. Today, we have Mr. Prabir Roy, Principal Yoga Teacher of Patanjali Yoga Peeth with us. He is a retired Deputy General Manager from Airports Authority of India. In addition, for the last 45 years, he has been practicing yoga. He is a Principal Yoga Teacher of Patanjali Yoga Peeth. He was also a former District President of the Yoga Organization of North Kolkata, West Bengal. He does free online yoga classes regularly, and so far he has given yoga practice to approximately 2 lakh people around India. He was also a former yoga instructor at the AAI Training Center and offers a free consultation for disease-based yoga. Thank you, Prabir ji, for joining us here today. Over to you.
First of all, namaskar to all. As for our yoga, this culture, yoga things. So first of all, we always pray to Almighty because it is the soul and mind, soul, mind and your body. This thing, two things are joined. Yog means plus, body and mind. So whenever any disease comes, it comes to our body. So mind is always free from this. Anyhow, first of all, we pray, and you may also, for a 1 minute, we are chanting Om. Om is the universal symbol for the spirit of this nature, and accordingly, I am going through this, and you please follow me, and then I'll start on giving the light on how to keep yourself fit, keep yourself fit from cancer, how you also from this. All these things we'll discuss during this session. So first of all, we're chanting this mantras. Om. Bhuvatsvaha Tatsaviturvarenam Bhargo Devatsa Dhimahi Dhiyo Yono Prachodayat Om Trambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Miturmaksi Amamitat Om Shahanai Bhavatu Shahanu Bhunaktu Shahavirjam Karmavahe Tejashnarmadhitamastu Mahaviddhishan Vahaye Om Asatama Sadigamaya Tamasuma Jyotirgamaya Mitturma Amritam Gamaya Om Shantish Shantish Shantihi. In conversation in our Sri Krishna and Arjun conversation, somewhere he has mentioned, Arjun, Yogi Bhava, na tasharogo na jara na mittu. Arjun ko Sri Krishna told to Arjun, Arjun, you be yogi. So whenever you will be yogi, that there is no disease and no age, and you can die according to your choice. So in yoga, every body has come in here, but it will be some limitation is there, 100 years or whatever maybe, it will destroy. It will, that panchatattva mein vileen ho jana, we are calling. It is natural thing. But whenever people are suffering with the disease, so they are getting pain and all. But Almighty, whenever we are born here, everybody is free from all. So He has given very nice things. So without body, we cannot do anything. Body is required. But body is always with mind. Prana. What is prana? I will discuss here for a few seconds. Prana, prana mata, prana bhrata, prana brahma. Prana, abad bhai besajan, prana is oxygen. Whatever oxygen we are taking during our breathing, so it is also a pran. How it is act? We are inhaling and it comes to our lung. Lung receive the oxygen and it will, our red blood cell, it's contact with, and that blood cells are carrying this more oxygenated blood and pump through heart and throughout the body it's spreading. And our human body is constructed with lakhs of cells. Cells, when are getting oxygen, proper oxygen, means prana. Prana is Shakti, Shakti means power. So when the prana Shakti is less, that time disease is started. What we are, as per our Yoga Shastra, we are telling. So prana Shakti, if we increase, then this disease will also go ahead. Every human being having the cells of cancer. But whenever people are more oxygenated and their food habits is also good and everything is good, nature is also good, atmosphere is good, water, whatever you're drinking, but due to this pollution and all, the stress and all, that some of the toxins are coming to our body. And that is the causes of all that disease and also the cancer. Even those who are not having any family history, people also suffer. Or even the less younger age, people are suffering now. So due to this, pollution is also one of the cause, stress is the cause, and food habits is the cause, and proper drinking water also one of the cause for all these things. So in yoga, in ancient medical science, there is a very nicely said that the whenever practice yoga, some asana, some pranayama, so people, those who are suffering, they will also get relief, and those who are preventive, as a preventive, if anybody practices it regularly, will never fall. This type of cancer will not even touch him. So this time, throughout the world, 130 countries are practicing yoga. But for particular disease-based yoga, whatever we are giving, that whatever disease, that somebody, even all these parts of the body, that organs, vital organ, muscles and all, even this thing, your some parts are affected whenever it is detected by the pathological and all these things, then it's come to know that these things are happening. So whenever happening, so modern medical science that's giving this treatment, and accordingly, our ancient medical science is also giving treatment. So for example, I can tell you my wife example. She had been suffering with cancer in colon, and it's detected in 2006. And I went to Chennai, and there's some big hospital, and there they are told me that she'll be more 1 month or 1.5 months. So again I came to and started yoga and Ayurveda, and she expired 2013. So during this time of this wider time we got due to this ancient medical science, and we believe, it is our belief, because she has not taken any chemo or any radiation, but without any suffering, without any pain, she lived this earth without any pain. So this is the main things. And after that, I also try to suggest those who are suffering with this. So please, if you take chemo, all right, you take advanced medical treatment, but after chemo, you do pranayama. Whenever you do pranayam, what pranayam do? Pranayam do that maximum oxygen you are inhaling. So whenever maximum oxygen you are inhaling, that the cancer cell cannot sustain the oxygenated environment. When the lack of oxygen is there is a chance. So whenever you are increasing this thing, that oxygen inhaling and practicing yoga and pranayama, then definitely you will get relief from your stress. Even whenever you are sleeping, soundless sleep, and whatever the burning after chemo, sometimes are burning sensation all over the body. So many things, so many complications are arising. So complication is also reduced. So practice, but this type of practice is a specific, because general peoples are doing only 15 minutes, 20 minutes this pranayama. It is okay for them. But those who are suffering, and according to the stage, even first stage to last stage, all stages it help is pranayama and yoga. But you have to do according to the your disease growth. If anybody suffering with maximum, he can do or she can do pranayama, means Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom, half an hour to 1 hour or more, then she'll get relief. But if she'll do 15 minutes or 10 minutes or tell that I am doing yoga but I'm not getting result, then proper dose, just like medicine dose is there, the 500 mg, 1000 mg like this, people are accustomed with this. In yoga is also, whenever you do pranayama, that according to the growth of the disease. And simultaneously, some 12 asanas is also prefer or giving, that this pranayama and asanas also help you. Accordingly, food habits, and also in our Vedic and our Ayurveda, there is so many indications are there that which increase the blood cells also, because after this chemotherapy, that sometimes blood cells are destroying and bloods also, the hemoglobins are reduced. For the supplement, गेहूं का गवा है, ये wheat grass juice and or giloy and pomegranate. So all are help to increase the blood cells. So if the blood cells are more, then the fighting capacity is also increased. Simultaneously, the pranayama, that oxygen is also increased in your blood, and bloods are going throughout the body and cells, and whatever the organs are affected, whatever organ are suffering, that also get relief. So I also, that's why I suggest everybody, or those who are suffering, it is because them, you at least you do 1 or 2 hours for you, and after 15 or 20 days, you can notice very nicely how you are feeling. Your feeling also change. You feel more energetic and more enthusiastic, and you're sleeping and doing your mood, everything will change. So I'll give some practice of this pranayama and some asanas also I'll suggest. So shall I demonstrate the pranayama also?
Yes.
Achha. So whatever we are doing, this pranayama is a very common thing. We are regularly inhaling the air, and it is going to our body, and accordingly we are functioning. It is a very common thing. But whenever you are doing pranayama, pran and aram means relaxation, both are combined pranayama. So there is a technique that how to increase and how to inhale, that it is called Bhastrika pranayama, just like this. It is called Bhastrika pranayama for lung and respiratory tracts. If anybody suffering with lung related cancer or respiratory tract cancer, he can do this pranayama 15 to 20 minutes in morning and evening. Definitely will go get result. But how you will get result? Because whenever you are inhaling oxygen, oxygen is a medicine. Abad bhai bheshajam. It is also a medicine. It's go to your body throughout your lung, and bloods and cells are repaired. Whatever lung cells are damaged, it is also repaired. silently, but you have to do regularly. So it is like this. Full inhalation and exhalation. Whatever you are inhaling, exhale it totally, not to keep anything. So a very easy thing. It will increase your oxygen capacity and you are taking more oxygen. In general human being, 400 to 450 units of oxygen generally even inhale, but those who are practicing pranayama, they are inhaling 4,000 to 4,500 ml of oxygen. So how it is work? It is like work like a medicine. So it is called Vasika Pranayama, as I have told you. It is increase your energy. It will strengthen your lung capacity. If lung fibroid is there, it is also give relief. If anybody having lung disorder, even in cancer, you also get. But the time of the selection of time according to the disease growth. It is always keep in your mind. If you do more pranayam, you will get more result. But after doing pranayama, we are give relaxation. Keep your legs away, sit like this, and rotate your legs like this. I am having some that network issue. That's why I could not open my laptop. So through my mobile phone, I am just showing you all. Sorry for this. Then these things are both the legs together. It is called like the butterfly for relaxation. If anybody having pain could not fold the knee, so he should not do. According to your capacity, you do pranayama and asana according to the capacity. Every individual are different. But after practicing a few days, so people are accustomed with this. It is called sukhasana. Left leg, then keep your right leg. It is called sukhasana. In this asana, people can stay more time. Then we are doing Kapalbhati. If I tell you the benefit of the Kapalbhati, it will take 1 hour time. Kapalbhati means Kapal matlab forehead. Then Bhati means glaze. Those who are practicing this pranayama, automatically the glaze will come. We are never use any sorts of this thing, cream and all. But throughout the season, we like this. Due to this pranayama. Pranayam, it's increase your urdhva cheta. So whenever we exhaling, that belly go inside and your air will come also go out. You are just exhaling. Inhalation automatically take place. Okay. So practicing this, first of all, whenever you start practice, you can do only 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but gradually those who are suffer with this disease, whatever portion of the disease is affected, it may be any organ or any muscles or any joints anywhere, but you have to do. If anybody cannot sit, even he can sleep in sleeping mode also. Sleep mode he can do this Kapalbhati also. But the result you will get that vidhi or samaya. Vidhi means process. Samaya means timing. If both are match, both are according, then we will get maximum result. So this is the Kapalbhati. It is increase your blood, it stimulate your bone marrow, and the blood formation is there. It release your toxin through your exhalation, and liver spleen, kidney, heart, lung, all are getting exercise through this Kapalabhati. So it is the unique practice of this Kapalabhati throughout the world. There is no such type of events till now we are known that all the organs are take care. It detox your body. It cholesterol level also decrease, hemoglobin also increase, and detoxification is also taking place. Then strength of liver, even cleanness of kidney, spleen, heart, heartbeat, enlargement of heart, or any kidney related problem, formation of stone, cancer, all these things are covered in this Kapalabhati. If anybody know, he will get relief. If anybody don't know, he will also get relief. Only do this pranayama. How it is practiced? Dhire, slowly, but continuous. Some continuation is required. Not to vigorously do, then if anybody do this fast, then it may shoot their BP also. So slowly. 1 second, 1 stroke. Stroke is also gentle. Only release your air through nostril and toxin is also going on. Even anybody is fatty, if do the Kapalabhati half an hour and all, so you will also lose his weight. Appetite also increase, hungriness, and all the cells are stimulated through this. Even those who are having fistula, fissure and all is also giving cureness and you'll get benefit. That portion is also covered. So Kapalabhati is the one of the best pranayama in our Yoga Shastra. I thought that everybody can understand how to practice Kapalabhati. But timing, as I have told you, minimum half an hour for cancer patients. If anybody in first stage, second stage, more, third stage, little more, fourth stage, little more. So timing is also increased according to the stage. Okay, then relaxation. Relax. Just move your feet and all, because whenever sitting in this type of thing, people are not accustomed with this, then they will feel uneasiness in legs and all, cramps may be taking place. So relax. So we have practiced Kapalabhati, then again butterfly. Then again sit. And two pranayama, I told you, one is Bahya Pranayam, Tribandh ke saath, and Ujjayi. That Bahya Pranayam means Tribandh, three close position. That close position we are having in the rectum, it's taken upward sides, and stomach take in bone side inside, and this thing will cheek also touch here. So it will close, and here also close, and in rectum side also close. So three bandh means close position is showing. It's cured that fissure, fistula related, this type related cancer and all. So if anybody practice this Moolman pranayam, means rectum ko isko taking like this and release, take this, release, take this, release. So it will giving strength to rectum muscles also, and that, as I have told you, that pranayam giving that maximum oxygen, that portion, and that the cancer cells cannot thrive in oxygenated environment, as I have told you. So the practicing of this, but I can just demonstrate you how you'll do it. First you inhale, then exhale. Then you take your stomach inside, like this. Then pull your rectum upward. Rectum upward, stomach inside, and touch this here. This is called Jalandhar Bandh. Bandh means close position, Jalandhar Bandh. This is a Uddayan Bandh, belly. And Mool Bandh, rectum is Mool Bandh. So three close position, and you can stay in this position as feel you will like good. Whenever required to take air, you release it. Open the bandh. Then again, you have to practice. It is general people, we are giving general people 15 to 20 minutes, but for patients, we are giving more time. As I have told you, again I will show you three bandhs ke saath. Inhale, exhale, take stomach inside, rectum will take upward side, and this cheek will touch your neck. So practicing of this thing regularly, day by day, increase, and whatever treatment you are taking. So according to your belief, you do. But simultaneously, if anybody practice this, so definitely will get the double benefit of this. And then I'll show the next one, that is called Ujjayi. Ujjayi means throat related, thyroid, tonsil, and voice. The three things is covered. It is do like this, just like bird. And hold it. According to your capacity, hold it, then release, close your right nostril and release the air through your left nostril. Ujjayi. If any patient having the thyroid related problem or voice related problem, even is tongue related problem, you can do it like this. Hold it according to your capacity, then release. So whatever I am demonstrating, you can understand. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Then these two things, how much time you will do? According to, as I have told you, that 21 times this Ujjayi minimum, and Bhaya Pranam, it is also 21 times. But for general people, 5 times is also enough. Then again, you open your legs and relax. Very interesting, this thing, this Shastra, Yog Shastra, Yogasya Chitta Vritti Niradaha Tada Vishtu Sharupe Avasthanam. Means, Yoga, if anybody practice yoga, then he knows who is he. कौन है उसको पहचान में आता है. Then again I'll go for this Anulom Vilom Pranayama. It is inhale from left hand part and exhale from right hand. Again from right nostril inhale and release to left side. It is also one of the vital. One is Kapalbhati, another is Anulom Vilom. If anybody could not do others, if they will do practice this Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom, that's also give maximum benefit. Only the technique is also like this. Keep your hands like this. This is called mudra. You are having the 5 fingers. 5 fingers represent 5 elements. It is called Agni, means fire. It is there. It is Akash, sky. It is Prithvi, earth. And it is water, Jal. So whenever you sit like this, Sorry. So, Anulom Vilom Pranayam practicing like this. Take inhale from your left nostril and close it. And release through right nostril. Again from right nostril inhale and left through nostril. Like this. But main thing, do it slowly, but duration is long, like this. Then close and then release through right nostril. Again inhale. Release through left nostril. Hands are like this. This is called mudra. This is called fire and air. Both are close position. So mind is also relaxed position. And this right hand also like this. So this pranayama Anulom Vilom you also practice for minimum cancer patient half an hour, and according to stage it will also increase half an hour, 1 hour, even 2 hours, 2 hours also. We are having so many results, very unique results. So those who are suffering, they will get relief from this pain and all. So those who are having this type of nozzle or forehead, eyesight, facial, whatever, maybe. The oxygen level also very nicely increased. And for those who are having problem in night time sleeping, if they practice it, definitely they will get benefit for sleeping problem and snoring problem. All. So it is called Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Left. So Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom. Go two vitals pranayam as I have demonstrated. I think those who have watched me, they can understand. And benefits, if I tell you it's more than 1 hour it will take. But if you practice it, you yourself, you observe the benefits are there. And this thing, again, you have to open your legs and relax. And then you sit down. Two modes are there. That is called Brahmari and Udgit. Those who are having brain tumor, malignant tumor, or sleep apnea, like this, and mind is also very disturbing. If they practice this, they will get benefit. 2 fingers keep on your forehead. 3 are just lightly close your eyes, and 2 thumbs are close the ears. Then take inhale and your humming sound. Brahmar, Brahmi means B. B sound is coming out like this. Just like B sound. Inhale and exhale through. Then this one is the Udgit Pranayama. It is also concentrate your mind and brain related problem, even having any sleep apnea or sleeping problem or brain cancer or any malignancy is there, a tumor is there. If they will practice, they will get benefit. It's called chanting of Oms. And then keep yourself calm and observe your breathing, how you are inhaling and exhaling, and try to concentrate on your left nostril. And keep some time very calm and only breathing observation. Then it will give you the maximum relaxation. Then both the palms are like this, and keep on your eyes and open this. It will take time, but I am just showing very fastly. And again, open your lips. In body life. Shitli and Shitkari. Another is like this. Your tongue will little twisted and take air through this. Those who are having heavy BP, blood pressure high, or tongue related problem, tongue का ऊपर में कोई abscess is there or cancerous like this, if will do, so definitely is getting benefit. Maximum inhalation, hold it, then release. It's called Shitli. During the summertime, generally we are giving this practice. Keep your body calm. And whenever the cancer patients having burning sensation due to some or heavy pain like this, body temperature is also increased, burning sensation, legs and all. If you will do this 11 or 21 times, definitely you will get relaxation. Then this part is over. Now I'll show you some asanas which is benefited for the patient. It is called Manduk asana. Manduk means frog. Sit like this, but everybody cannot sit like this. Those who are having problem, knee problem or joint problem or any stiffness, any operation or like this, and he cannot do. So he can do whatever posture he can comfortably sit. Only things, the legs are to be, hands to be folded like this, and keep this thing here. Your navi is there on pancreas. First inhale and exhale. Take your stomach inside, keep it here, and keep your distance and see front side like this. Breathing normal. What will do? Those who are having problem in liver, spleen, kidney and all, if you will do practice 1 minute to 10 minutes in particular pose, in one pose, 1 to 10 minutes. definitely you will get maximum relief. Liver related problem and others problem also. It is called Mandukasana, like this. Inside. Breathing normal. Up. Then left leg, then right hand. Left hand, then right. This is the second pose of this Mandukasana. First pose I have shown, second pose also. Inhale, exhale, take inside stomach, take this, and show it like this. I am showing the practice. Then this is called Sasakasana. Inhale like this and take your hands backward sides and release your air and come front side. Like this, you practice 10 to 15 times. Then sit down. Again, you normal sitting pose. Both the legs like this and fold one legs like this. These asanas. Those who are having the spinal cord problem, spinal cord is also suffering, he can do, but carefully, little carefully. Any expert is there, take advice from him. And whenever you practice, definitely it will giving benefit. But as I have told you, there more time you have to give it. For general people, it is 30 seconds is enough. But for those who are suffering, that timing maybe increase 1 to 10 minutes. Then change your legs like this. Breathing normal. Body posture will also become benefited. And spine also, flexibility will come. Those who have stiff spine, for any causes, it may give benefit. Then this one, the second one is Gomukha Asana. Go means cow. This is like cow face. It's called Gomukha Asana. Then heel of this left leg, keep your rectum on this. Just sit like this. Which legs is on upper portion, that center will also go up. And from back side is folded. But it is not possible for those who are not practicing. Whatever your possible maximum turn, you do it. If it is not coming like this, okay. If you regularly practice, it will come on. Maximum benefits occur. Those who are suffering this prostate cancer and your liver, rectum, all sir cover. It is benefit for heart also. Just normal. And if anybody is having capacity, he can do this Kapalbhati Pranayama along with this. Like this. Then change your posture. Left leg to right leg. Gomukha Asana. Breathing normal. See in front, just keep straight your look and comfortably. If you cannot hold your hands, how much time is coming? So it's okay, no problem. You practice it. Gradually, flexibility will come and you can hold it. Then come normal position. This is called Gomukhasana. Then this is called Naukasana. Nauka means boat, like this. Do it like this. According to your capacity, do it. 10, 20 times, whatever possible. Then hold it like this. According to your capacity. Then like this. Then Makarasana. Sitting posture. Everybody should take warm water in morning time in sitting position for clearance of your bowels and all. After doing this pranayam, after clearance of this coming from toilet, if you practice pranayam, it is giving more benefit because that time your stomach is empty. One leg touch your hip, another leg like this. It is like this, touching your hip. It is giving benefit to relaxation for spine and back pain. Those who are having back pain, spine related problem, if they practice this Makarasana, it is giving benefit. Both the legs together. Can you see me?
Yeah.
It's called Makarasana, like this. Then another thing is called Bhujangasana. Bhujang means snake. Snake position. Because our ancient rishis and all, they have followed the animals and all their posture and accordingly adapted it. It's called Bhujangasana. Both the legs, both the hands like this. And relax. Then inhale and keep your head upward side like this. Hands is half fold and look upward. And it is giving relaxation your back. It is very good for back pain and spinal exercises. Those who are having spine problem, as I've told you, that if anybody is having the spinal related cancer and all, you can do, practice it. Definitely you will get benefit. Then come down, relax like this. It is one of posture. This is called Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana, first posture as I show you. Second posture like this. Keep upward, look upward, and breathing normal. According to your capacity, you stay 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 5 seconds. Then gradually time will increase. You can stay up to 10 minutes also. Get benefit. Then come down gently, slowly and relax. Then third is Tirjak Bhujangasana. Keep your hand like this and both the legs stretch. And you see your opposite heel through to this side. Yeah. Opposite heel. It is very good for spine. Then come down again opposite side. Like this. Then Salvasana. Both the hands under your thigh and keep your legs like this. Salvasana. Again, just like this. Pavan Muktasana. This is very, very beneficial posture like this. Like this. Pavan Muktasana. Very good for heart also. Pavan means stomach का आपका एयर वगैरह उसके लिए बहुत beneficial. Then Setubandhasana like this. But after practice of asanas, relaxation means savasana is also required. Relax. Keep your body, release the control, relax. Even your inhalation rate is also decreased. Whenever you sleep like this way, your heartbeat also normal, become normal, like slow, slow. Then rub your hands and take turn from left side and sit. So whenever practicing this yoga and pranayama and yoga, as I have told you, that benefit definitely come. Those who are suffering, I'll request them, please go through this. And I'm having this free online yoga classes. If you having any sorts of queries, you may ask me. Whatever my knowledge is there, I'll surely share with you for the betterment of this human being. And this is our ancient medical science. There is no expenditure. Nature is giving enough air. You just inhale and practice it and exhale. And food control is also one of the things. Maximum quantity of our fruits you should have. And regular lifestyle, walking and awaking early in the morning, and mind strength is more strengthened than our body. In this Yoga Shastra, 5 points are there in our mind. Annamaya Kosh, whatever foods we are taking, that is Anna, and our cells are getting. Annamaya Kosh, Manamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, Vigyanmaya Kosh, and Anandmaya Kosh, last stage of this sun is Anand. Or every time is cheerful. So this type of things in your mind, whenever your body is having this, but even in Swami Vivekananda is telling that you are not only a body, you are a soul. So we are having the eternal soul, and we are the Prasad of Almighty. So I wish to all and pray Almighty for their cureness. If you practice it, definitely you will get benefit. But practicing regularly, you keep it is your way. And it is your timing, time management is your, food is your, body is your, and everything is your. Even this nature, whatever you are seeing, and we are believe that everything is Sarvam, Vasudevam Sarvam. Means Bhagavan sab mein hai. Aapka andar mein bhi hai, hamara andar mein bhi hai. It is in your body, it's in my body, everybody. So everybody should stay healthy in this earth and giving enjoy and benefit to all. And we all are human beings. So any queries, any question, anybody you may ask, I'll give you answer. If you're having any question from anybody.
Anjali ma'am, Kriti ma'am, like if you guys have any doubts, please do ask now.
Hi, hello. Hello, sir.
Ma'am.
Yes. You have the yoga session classes, you said, right? For the cancer patients. So send me the link so I can join and I can do the yogas.
Okay, I'll send this link to ma'am.
Yeah.
She will definitely give.
Sure,
And
sure.
I am telling you, madam, is guaranteed. If you practice, you will get maximum benefit.
Yes.
Whatever treatment you are getting, you go through this. no problem. But simultaneously do it also.
Yeah,
Then
but
you
what are
see
the,
after
yeah, but you don't have live sessions? Are you doing the live session?
live session in online classes is there in morning time. No? But live
What are the
session.
timing? Please send me the details, huh? You can take
Okay,
my
I'll
number
send you.
from any ma'am.
Yes, I'll
Yes,
give
sir,
to you.
Yeah.
I'll give to her.
Sure, sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Okay. Okay, ma'am,
I
or
think that
anybody in your friends and all, if anybody is there in earth, I am here to give the free this knowledge to everybody. Share this knowledge, everybody. It is our duty. Our sons are very great in earth. They are giving this this type of knowledge for the human being, not the mankind. So if anybody get benefits, so very because we are having the maximum experience. We have seen. Even I have given example of my wife also. So she was all right. Only 1.5 months given time by doctors, but I will not mention the name and all. But she got the more than 9 years. So how it's possible? Due to this. Not any chemo, not any your radiation, nothing. Only this. And some Ayurveda medicines she has taken. Okay, ma'am, anything?
I think that's it, sir. It's time up now. So
How
thank
you
you
have
so
enjoyed?
much
I
for
don't know.
today's. Yeah, we
Okay,
did
thank you,
enjoy the
ma'am.
session.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you
I
so
will
much.
share my
Thank-
I will share my this thing link to you, and those who are required, you can give it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anjali ma'am. Thank you,
Yeah.
Kriti ma'am.
For
Thanks,
1
everyone.
second, that we are 1 second we are praying the Shanti part. You just listen 1 second.
Okay.
Om Doha Shanti Antariksham Prithvi Shanti Rapa Shanti Aushadha Shanti Vanashpadaya Shanti Vishwadeva Shanti Him Brahma Shanti Sarvam Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Shama Shanti Revi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Over.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.